Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the account email and current password, or opening the forgot password flow if you can't sign in. Once done, open the booking. Extranet in a private browser tab and click Sign In. If you're already signed in, go straight to your profile settings. Make sure you have access to the recovery email or phone. Booking sends codes, so you won't be blocked midway through the reset procedure. Now proceed to change the password. If signed in, choose Change Password in Account Settings and enter your current password. If using a reset link, follow the email's instructions and paste the code when prompted. When creating the new password, choose at least 12 characters with mixed case, numbers, and symbols to reduce breach risk. Once you type it, confirm it exactly. Mismatches are the most common failure. Also, check on Finish by saving the change and watching for a confirmation notification or email. This verifies the update was applied. Once saved, log out and sign back in with the new password to confirm everything works. If you used a reset link, ensure the link wasn't expired before use. Troubleshooting tip: if you don't receive the confirmation or reset email, check spam and trash, wait about 10 minutes, then retry or contact booking partner support. They can reissue a reset link or verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.